Okay, so wait. Hi. um Jujur, aku tuh mau pasang musik guys, cuman aku lupa kalau misalnya aku udah nggak premium. I'm not premium anymore. Tahu aja sih. Jadi aku bingung nih gimana. Terima kasih ya Kak Konit. Aduh, agak buta jujur. Tapi ini rambut aku kayak, padahal aku kan habis keramas guys. Cuman ini tuh bener-bener apa namanya, lemes banget. Oh no, it's not. I don't want this. Dah, gini aja dulu. Oke, kita bahas apa malam ini? Masih ke Dapa. Jujur. Jadi aku nyanyi aja ya. I'm just like sing probably because nggak premium lagi. Terima kasih Kak Tale. Ya gimana nih? Masa galau nggak ada lagu guys? Bahas apa ya? Tau gak sih guys, aku belum sembuh. Masih ketale. GWS. Makasih. Nyanyi. Jujur, tenggorokan aku lagi gak enak. Ngapain ya? Setelah gue dibilang nggak premium. Masih Kazumi. Masih ada apa? Kalian kangen gak sama aku? Aku lama sekali tidak muncul ke permukaan bumi ini. Enggak. Oke, makasih ya. Ya udah ngilang lagi, udah biarin. Biarin. Kok? Ya elah, bener. Nggak bisa. Nggak mau nanti ada iklan. Oh, belum beli lagi. Aku itu udah beli, cuman belum masuk. Kan kayak malesin ya. I don't know what to say, guys. Jadi nggak usah pakai musik baik. Kita setel apa sih lagu-lagu yang biasanya di spa. Aduh, mau bersin, nggak ada vibes. Bikin vibesmu sendiri ya. Lagu yang bikin tenang, suara air. Is it? Apa sih namanya guys? For Revenge ya? Mantap, let's go. This is our night. Oke, jadi kita mau bahas apa guys? Jujur aku nggak ada pembahasan sih. Kemarin aku ke cafe warna pink, full pink. Tapi aku pakai baju hitam-hitam. Karena aku kayak, karena aku pakai pink sih. Itu kan aku diajak sepupu aku ya. Terus dia bilang, ih, norak banget. Ih, begitu, jahat sekali loh. I'm flu. Tapi lucu sumpah kamu full black gitu di tengah dunia perpinkan. Ya. Mending apa ya? It's better for the world to be colorful. Gitu. Jadi ibaratnya seperti ini. Aku buat ibarat. Ibaratnya me, the black and white person, is you. But the world is very colorful. I can't speak. Gitu. So like even though your heart is black, but your life is actually very colorful, you know? Nggak bisa bahasa Inggris. Well, I will be talking in English for a long time, so deal with it. Masih karangga ode. Gak peduli betapa berwarnanya dunia penglihatanku tetap hitam putih. Itu mah kamu doang. Padahal dunia aslinya berwarna banget loh. Ngomong full bahasa Inggris sampai and really? Nanti dia nggak paham. Terus aku harus jelasin, mas. So how's your guys' life been? Stress. Me too. My hair has been like pulling out so much. I don't know. I ate a lot, but like I'm very skinny. I'm like getting very skinny. Like I ate a lot of food. I've been busy and I haven't got enough sleep, honestly. Sleep is important, I guess. I don't know. Kita tidur cepat gimana? I usually like watch boring YouTube videos. So I go to sleep. Cause like if it's like boring, so we just like but like we have the urge to like change the video, but like don't do that. Jakarta hari ini look at this. I colored it pink because I love pink. Loh, kamu sakit, Wi. Honestly, I've been like sick for so long, and I don't know if I'm getting better or not, but kayak pucat banget ya. Aman, pajama aman. Kamu mau aku jujur apa enggak? Oke, enggak. Well, honestly, karena I really love performing. I feel like it's a healing thing for me. You know, when I'm stressed out, I just want to perform because it's actually the thing that I like. But like yesterday, the vibe was very off, and I have the urge to like give my energy to my friends, so like I really push myself up my limit. Like I really like, if there's like a jumping choreography, I really have to like jump. I really force myself, and like even like Gen 14 yang kemarin show juga said like, Kak, energinya so big, like I have the urge to follow your energy in it, and that makes me like, oh thank you. Thank you for respecting what I'm doing. But like, yeah, I almost can't breathe, but like I'm glad it's over, cause like we perform very jarang, so I wanted to give my best, and I want my friends to give them best for you guys as well. Because sometimes I think like not every day you can watch us perform, and not every time you guys ferry, and not every time we can perform gitu. So like even I was doing my part and putting effort into my performance, but like maybe some of you guys don't think that way. Like Pajama is not solding out again, and I don't know what to do about it. Gue aku Indo aja belum lancar sama. Ya gitulah guys. So yeah, we are trying our best. I mean, like, again, it's our first time being human, and it's our first time in that job as well, so gitu guys. Tapi jangan terlalu dipaksakan. Well, semua juga ujung-ujungnya harus dipaksakan, no? Cause kalau nggak ada paksaan berarti nggak ada niat, nggak sih? Dan aku niatnya buat I want you guys just feeling happy after watching Pajama Drive. So, well, harus dipaksa seperti itu. Even though we're sick, or like we're not having a good time, or we're in a bad mood or whatever, but like it's our job to make you guys happy, kan? kecilin dikit. Oke. Nggak berani negur aku, why? Is my aura too big? People said that, you know. Kayak ada yang sortir itu. I don't know what it called. Kayak trainee Alia. What? Really? Apa iya? Ih, bohong. Pajama kemarin bingung apa? Terus gimana guys? What you guys are up to lately? What lagi sibuk ngapain? Aku mau cerita apa ya? Sumpah, my hair is very kayak bener-bener jatuh gitu. Like, I don't know why. It's kinda ugly. Blech. Kenapa nggak ada volumenya sih? Gitu loh maksud aku mah. Aku harus habis keramas, jadi rambut aku nggak messy. Aku jadi culun. I hate it. I hate looking like aku suka kamu culun. Emang ya? Kalau nggak suka gimana dong? Masih Kak Marcel? Sadra. Tuh biar nggak pucat-pucat amat. What do you guys do when you guys are udah nyampe limit kalian? Mas Kariska. Your work, personal project been eating me alive. Oh. Motoran, ngurung diri, tidur. Aku udah jarang banget motoran guys. Like actually I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm becoming, honestly. Aku pengen beli motor lagi. Vibes-nya beda kalau pakai kacamata. Lebih gimana tuh? Well, no one knows what we will be becoming each day. Yeah. But what's concerning is like, are you becoming more better or more worse, you know? That's concerning about changes. Better or worse is subjective. Yeah, but still, if you're changing into a worse person, then that's not a good thing. Oh my god. Someone worse could be someone better. Yes, but like, are you actually already a better person? Are you actually already a good person? I mean, if you like look at yourself in the mirror, maybe like, are you a good person already? And what is good? Dan Inggris aku nggak ngerti, makanya belajar. What's no good is no bad. You got a point. I don't know. What if you like something, but that something is also hurting you? Would you walk away or would you stay? Oke, ini translate-nya. Kalau kamu menyukai sesuatu, kamu kayak benar-benar menyukai sesuatu gitu, suatu hal. Tapi suatu hal itu nyakitin kamu bakal pergi atau kamu bakal tinggal. I'd stay. Why? Pergilah. Depends. I'll stay if I figure out how to cope with myself better. It's just another price to pay. Aku sih bakal terusin others. I'm happy to do that. Yes, but you're like hurting. Like, you lose yourself while doing that. You're stressing out. You're probably like depressed. Like, you're mentally and physically drained. But you actually love it, you know. Masih kak telur ceplok. If it's hurting myself too much. But what if you left, you will hurt other people? And if you love someone, you can never answer it while you love them. Probably right. Being that person, being in that situation, it's taking too much part of me when it ended. Masih kalanin. Terima kasih Kak Marsha, mas batangnya. Stay until find a new one. What if it's not about someone? Love is a double-edged sword, they say. Yeah. Okay, but loving something is not about loving. It's not always about loving someone, you know. Elaborate. Better to just talk about happy things, and this is not the life you want to be in. Duh. It's like literally 7 o'clock, and it's galau time. No happy things here. It's better to love to live, to love to life rather than life to live. To what? What? Udah. Aduh, kecolok. Gak tau lah guys, poni aku gak bener. Rambut aku terlalu jatuh. Gonna be me. 30 minutes fixing my hair like I always do. Apa sih guys? Rambut aku jatuh banget. No way, no. I'm not having this. Okay, back to the topic. I mean, in the end of the day, what even is love? Well, love sometimes can heal you, and love sometimes can hurt you. Depends on what the things you love. Kalau misalnya it's a human, ya kemungkinan besar itu bakal nyakitin kamu. Jujur nggak ngerti, makanya belajar. Ya udah pakai bahasa Indonesia deh. Oh my god. Besok pada ikut les bahasa Inggris. Jangan terlalu dari pengalaman. Terima kasih Mas Daro, Mas Batangnya. Terima kasih juga review VC. Nah itu honestly kayak aku bingung gitu kalau misalnya bisa kita les di kamu, aduh skip, nggak suka ngajarin orang. Ajarin aku cara ngomong can and can't, bros, just add a T in the end. Lanjut. Aku nggak tahu deh aku mau ngomongin apa. Like how could you survive? Padahal kan kayak hidup orang kan beda-beda gak sih? What they're feeling is different. What they've been through is different. How do you cope with your guys' sadness? Kalau ngomong Indo jadi cringe ya kan, makanya nggak bisa ngomong Indo. Aku nggak fluent Indonesia. Pakai bahasa Inggris aja udah. Cihui. Makanya pakai bahasa Inggris. How to cope with sadness, understanding why I'm sad. Wait, what? Understanding why I'm feeling sad. Ya, benar. Ya. Kayak aku tuh nggak paham. I'm a very nonchalant person. Real. Aku nggak buat-buat. Maksudnya aku itu bener-bener aku bener-bener kayak nggak pedulian orangnya. Even for myself, kayak I don't even know what I'm feeling gitu. Aku bakal kerasa kalau tiba-tiba itu my body or like something about me is different. Kayak aku bakal notice loh kalau misalnya aku tambah kurusan, or like kalau aku udah nggak suka makan ini lagi, nggak suka makan itu, minum itu lagi gitu, I will like notice. Tapi if like I'm in that right now gitu, aku nggak bakal notice gitu. Aku nggak bakal my feelings, my heart is hurt. I don't care about my feelings that much. Like at the point where I just don't feel hurt when people maybe like talk badly about me or like do something bad to me. Like I would just like stands still and just in silent, and I was like, huh, what? Gitu. Kayak I don't feel like, oh terima kasih Mas Daru, Mas batangnya. I don't feel like I'm understanding my feelings. Is that wrong? I think that's wrong. That is wrong. Like, okay, misalnya teman-teman aku kayak ke aku semua buat curhat lah, nyari saran, blah 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 blah. I mean, I'm their psychologist as well. But like, I can't to myself. I'm very not open to myself. Apalagi ke orang lain. Muka aku serasa biasa. Totally understandable, but yeah, that's not really the best thing that we can do. I know, but it's like, it's a habit and it's a character of mine. I don't know what I'm feeling, gitu loh. Like, for example, like I have such mixed feelings. Kayak misalnya, fun fact, dulu I have a pet, misalnya, and that pet died. I will just like, oh, okay. So, and then like my siblings are just gonna run at it and cry their face off. I will be laughing. Which I think that's kind of weird. But I just have the urge to laugh. Are you feeling hollow after losing someone or something? No. Like, oh, I don't know, kind of weird. Like, it's normal to have feelings, and you have to. Maybe that's how you cope since you've been so confused. But like, I'm very attached. Like, for example, I'm very attached to this brush. Like, it's been with me since like the beginning of time. Just put it that way. But like, when I lost it, I instantly like lost feelings for it. Like, oh, it's just a brush. Oh, it's just a cat, or it's just a rabbit. Like, the memory of it just vanished from my mind, and it like doesn't affect me whatsoever. Masih ka, Marsha? Ngomong apa tuh, aku rambut demblas. Intinya tentang perasaan. Kalau misalnya kayak kehilangan sesuatu itu nggak berasa kehilangan gitu. I don't know. And I feel like it's a habit because I don't open that much when I was little. So like, for example, like, I bled my nose and I was just laughing like a maniac. It was just crazy, isn't it? Like, for example, I was bleeding my nose, like, oh my god, it's blood. Like, oh my god, I'm bleeding. And I laugh like, ha 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 ha. But I don't feel like, oh, what happened to me? What is my am I sick or something, what am I feeling, like I don't care. Kayak udah ngepanik kan, iya padahal itu juga hal yang jarang gitu misalnya kan. Kayak I feel like I'm not a very empathic person and I wanted to be one. Aku pengen jadi orang, terima kasih ke data mas batangnya. Kayak aku pengen menjadi orang yang memang mikir ke depan gitu loh, karena aku orangnya bener-bener kayak nggak peduli. I don't have the sense of belonging as well. Kayak misalnya aku beli baju yang harganya kayak mahal banget, misalnya we put it 200 juta gitu ya. Misalnya aku beli baju harga segitu, tapi kayak I treat it like baju-baju yang lain gitu. I don't treat it as special. Soalnya aku punya device baru misalnya, aku beli nih dari sweat and tears of mine, but like I just throw it everywhere. Like kalau rusak aku kayak punya mindset kayak ya udah ntar beli lagi, nggak tahu kapan. Kayak I don't have the sense of belonging. I don't have feelings that I care about stuff, you know. Sometimes I get to attach to something too easily, but then I lose it. It will feel sad, but later I don't care. Well, you can still feel sad. I don't. Itu namanya move on. But that's not a good thing though. Itu namanya menggampangkan semua hal. Being numb, yeah. Nanti juga paham sering berjalannya waktu. Tapi kalau misalnya aku gini terus, how can I understand if I won't change myself and I don't understand what I'm feeling gitu loh. Gitu. Jadi kayak how can I cope with myself yang sekarang kok aku tuh nggak tahu what's wrong with me. How can I make myself better-ish? Pasti mau dimana kamu pasti sengaja tidak sengaja berubah. Kayak aku tuh tahu beberapa hal yang aku lakuin itu ada yang salah, ada yang benar, bla bla bla. Tapi aku kayak untuk tutup mata akan semua hal itu gitu. I think I'm selfish, and that's a bad thing. Like, I feel like, I don't know. Nih aku boleh balas gak sama orang yang selalu bully aku karena aku udah mau bisa sama mereka? Balas aja, nggak ada yang larang. Halo admin, jangan lupa bijak dalam berkomentar. Aman admin, ini lagi jam-jamnya nih. Gitu guys, jadi kayak aku rasa maybe memang masanya sih, like teenage something. Gitu. So yeah, but I feel like it's time for me to grow up and actually care about my surroundings. How do we get better when better in other people prevents is different? I'm confused. What? Oh, okay. Gimana cara jadi orang baik tapi baik di mata orang lain itu salah gitu kan? Nah itu aku juga nggak tahu. Cause like what I feel is good thing to do itu kayak kadang salah di mata orang lain. Cause apparently that's something is not normal in other people. Temen nyetir. Yeah. And we just represent every feeling that you received. Well, it's easy for people to mirror someone kan. Nah aku tuh nggak bisa. Kayak misalnya aku ketemu atau bicara sama orang yang benar-benar bubbly, happy. Gitu, tapi aku nggak bisa nge-mirror gitu. kayak mereka kayak misalnya mereka sapa gitu, saya teman-teman aku ya maksudnya, saya kayak sapa gitu, nyapa kayak halo kak Awi, halo Awi ya, atau siapa ya, aku jawabnya kayak ya gitu aja gitu kayak. And after I said that, I find it like, oh my god, I'm so annoying. Tapi kayak udah terlanjut. Tapi kalau misalnya aku jawab kayak, oh iya, hai juga, oh, I feel so cringe and I feel like it's not me gitu. Udah begini tapi masih dengan blush on yang on point. Emang on point ya? Kamu pakai tangan guys. At least you nyadar. Yes, but hal itu tuh gak berubah gitu. Do you want to change it? Well, of course, it's not a good thing. Makasih Kariska. Terima kasih Kalanin, Mas Batangnya. Terima kasih Kalanin, Mas Batangnya. Kalau trauma cerita bahkan sama keluarga itu gimana? But yeah, again, it's their first time living on earth and it's their first time jadi orang tua juga, ya mau gimana, walaupun mereka ngelakuin hal yang salah, mungkin itu benar di mata mereka gitu loh. So don't always blame on them, karena it's your life. Mereka cuman yang ngedatengin kalian di dunia dan sisanya itu urusan kalian gitu. Even though you don't forgive them for what they did to you, still it's their first time living on earth as well. Even though you need them probably kan. Tapi ya balik lagi, kalian juga bisa belajar banyak dari gak cuma orang tua gitu. Life gives so much pelajaran. Jadi kayak terbuka aja sama diri kalian sendiri. Don't be stressed out because like, oh my family didn't do this, like what my friends' parents do to them gitu kayak. Ya udah nggak sih, it's your life. Your parents paling cuma menggampangkan, maybe. So like, you know, how would you like survive your life and be better kalau misalnya kamu bergantung sama orang tua kalian gitu. In the end of the day, it's just you and yourself. Dosa yang dipendam sekarang mati rasa. Yeah, true. Well, lucky for me, I've been doing things alone for a long time. Yeah, me too, but in the end of the day, you need someone else too. Kamu bilang kamu sendiri tuh karena kamu gak punya tempat cerita aja. Tapi kenyataannya kayak kamu dikelilingin oleh orang-orang juga gitu. Gak usah nyindir. Kasian banget buat kamu itu mah. Ouch, no need to stab me like that. Well, I did anyway. I feel like the solution is to be truthful to ourselves. Tapi kayak that's the most hard thing to do. Yeah, because you always think that you guys are you are strong gitu loh. Oh my god. Kayak you think like, I can get through this. Cuman gini doang. Ntar juga lewat. Gini doang, Mbak. kayak you don't talk to yourself enough to figure out that hal ini nyakitin aku sebegini besar ya ternyata. Hal ini affect aku sebegini besar sampai aku itu begini kayak nggak gitu. Even kalau udah sadar pun bingung mau gimana. Ya yang penting sadar aja kan. At least you know the problem. Udah ngomong sama diri sendiri sampai hilang diri. Yeah, I feel that. But at the end of the day, kamu juga harus keluarin kata-kata kamu gitu. Even though gak ke orang, kayak ke kucing jalanan lah, ke tembok lah, ke kamu di kaca lah. Don't put it in your heart gitu. Just talk to yourself. Kayak conversation di dalam kepala aja gitu, kayak I'm feeling like this. Terus jawab aja sendiri. I know it may sound crazy, tapi kalau misalnya kalian kayak aku sendirian gak punya siapa-siapa, well that's the thing you can do. Takut dikira udah geje, kan kamu ngomong dirimu sendiri, kan kamu ngomong sama dirimu sendiri in a room that's where no one is here gitu loh. What am I saying? Kayak you're alone, kayak siapa yang mau ngira kamu udah geje? Dah. Kadang talking with ourselves itu bisa efektif ya kan. Aku suka sama seseorang tapi dia sahabat aku, lebih baik confess atau dipendam? Sahabat atau cinta? Masih gak dapat JKT48 show-nya. Tadi ngomong apa ya? Lupa. Oh, terima kasih Kak Daru. Gitu guys. Confess dong. Depends. Menurut aku jangan cepet-cepet. Cause you will never know when that person will leave your life. I mean, gak semua itu harus dijadiin pacar sih. Ya gak sih? I mean, kalau misalnya bisa jadi best friend aja, ya best friend aja. Until you guys are ready and bener-bener memang suka sama satu sama lain, baru kayak jalin hubungan. Tapi kalau misalnya kayak cuman satu yang feel like you love something that much, dan satunya kayak ngikut aja, ya it won't last long. Oh well. Mas kalanin, mas batangnya. Prinsipnya adalah cari orang bisa bikin kamu bertumbuh. Ya, bisa bikin bahagia juga. Kan bahagia orang-orang juga beda. Bisa kayak beliin barang lah, atau beli equality time lah. Orang-orang kan merasa disayang itu secara beda gitu. Dan kalau misalnya kamu merasa kayak aku udah ngasih ini semua loh buat kamu, tapi itu rasa sayang yang menurut kamu gitu, bukan menurut dia, ya dia nggak bakal merasa kalau misalnya dia disayang gitu. Yang aku butuh ini, kamu ngasihnya ini, ya aku nggak berasa cukup dong. Kayak misalnya, love language aku gift receiving, tapi kamu ngasihnya kata-kata doang, kata-kata misalnya bangun pagi, long text, bla-bla-bla. Ya itu nggak bakal affect apa-apa ke dia gitu, karena ya itu bukan cara dia dicintai gitu. Jadi percuma kalian effort, tapi kalau kalian merasa nggak dihargai, ya mungkin kamu ngelihat lah kalau misalnya cara dia ingin dicintai itu bukan seperti itu, tapi itu caramu yang mau kamu dicintai itu seperti itu gitu. Kamu itu cuma mau mirror gimana kamu mau di treat oleh seseorang. Ya, kamu nge-treat orang ini sebagaimana kamu pengen di-treat, tapi orang ini gak mau treat kamu gitu. Maksudnya apa ya, kayak yang dia butuhin itu bukan itu gitu loh. Ya gimana kalau misalnya dia merasa aku gak pernah cukup buat kamu, aku udah ngasih kamu semuanya, baba. Ya semuanya bagimu, bukan bagi dia, bro. Kayak misalnya kamu datang dari anggap aja kayak dari Surabaya ke Jakarta gitu kan, jauh-jauh nih buat nemuin dia lah, temenin dia lah gitu-gitu, LDR bla bla bla. But like that's not what you need, no. Kayak padahal aku merasa dicintain kalau misalnya ya udah kita VC aja setiap malam, atau kamu kirimin aku makan kalau aku belum makan gitu-gitu. Ya, cukup gitu aja, kayak kamu nggak perlu kesini gitu. Kalaupun kesini nanti pasti lupa juga kalau misalnya kayak yang aku butuh kan ini, tapi kamu mau ngasih ini. Nah terus nanti yang udah nyamperin bilangnya, aku padahal udah nyamperin loh kamu dari sini ke sini, tapi kok kamu gak ngehargain aku. Ya itu bukan yang kita butuhin gitu loh. Itu kan bridging kayak ini. Enggak, trauma banget. Mau move on dari dia tapi tetap kepikiran padahal dia yang nyakitin hatiku. Ya gimana nyakitinnya? Well, how do you want to be loved? I don't know. I don't even know how to love myself, and how would I expect someone to love me? I'm a newcomer here, mind if I watch? No, just watch. Duh, kelilipan. Ya gitu lah guys, maksudnya kayak jangan berlagak kalau kalian udah ngasih dunia buat dia, tapi kalau misalnya yang dia butuhin cuman samudra, ya dunia kamu yang udah kamu kasih itu gak bakal kelihatan di mata dia. Dihargai ya, mungkin bakal dihargai, tapi kayak gak bakal meninggalkan bekas gitu loh. Paling ya cuman kayak inget aja kayak, oh ya dia ngasih dunia ke aku, kayak gitu aja. Jadi benar-benar pahami pasangan kalian. Jangan sok mau jadi pahlawan, oh I'll die for you, I'll take a bullet for you, tapi yang dia pengenin kayak, oh I want us to die together. Bagi two kids berkedik-kedik. tak ada. Guess our piece of heaven is real. Mana saya tahu, saya ikan. Gimana cara ngilangin perasaan mau jadi orang yang biasa-biasa aja? Gimana caranya menghilangin perasaan, mau jadi orang yang biasa-biasa aja? Ya aku nggak enak tahu nggak punya perasa, nggak enak jadi bukan perasa. Aku pengen jadi perasa malah. Menitip martabak, mau dong terang. Aku lagi pengen banget terang bulan keju susu. I really want that dari pagi, tapi aku nggak bisa beli. Karena apa guys, uang aku itu sisa 1.000. Sumpah demi apapun uangku sisa 1.000, tahu nggak sih? I can't buy anything. Makanya ini galau, ini karena galau gak punya duit. How can I stop falling so deep for a member? Ya, itu bukan kesalahan gak sih buat jatuh cinta kepada seseorang yang memang nemenin kalian? Walaupun member lah atau apa, I mean like it's not a mistake. I mean we are here to accompany you guys as well kan aku udah pernah bilang make me your home. Gimana caranya ngilangin orang di hidup kita ini you are my home. Apa iya bang, ntar juga home ntar juga kalau udah punya yang lain juga cabut. Aku tuh cuman halte bus. I'm just a halte bus. Terima kasih Kak Shiel. The home is where it's hurt. Gitu deh guys. I mean intinya dari pembicaraan malam ini adalah nggak tahu. Jadi di Ciwidey gimana ceritanya? Aku sekamar sama Miki, Gia, Maira. Sesibuk apapun juga somehow I always come back to you. Well, hopefully. Masih kasih ya. Udah gitu doang ceritanya. Aku tuh orangnya gampang ke distract udah kan. Jadi ya apa ya aku itu bener-bener unforgetful banget guys. Walaupun memori indah gitu, aku itu gampang lupa karena itu aku nggak perasa. Aku beli waffle sama Mikaela, terus aku beli Jasuke sama Maira, terus aku ikut lomba kayak lomba stocking tepung gitu, tapi aku nggak menang. Pokoknya kami ber9 itu ya udah kayak sering nongkrong aja di kamarnya Kak Intan gitu. Terus Gen 14 itu berberapa ya? 11 ya? 10 ya? 10 gak sih? Iya 10 ya. Kalau 10 mah kita baca nomor 10 gak sih? Hahaha. Eat it up. Nomor 10 ada Kak Telur Ceplok. Terima kasih Kak Telur Ceplok. Nomor 9 ada Kak Rangga. Terima kasih Kak Rangga. Nomor 8 ada Kak Timothy. Terima kasih Kak Timothy. Nomor 7 ada Kak Shell. Terima kasih Kak Shell. Nomor 6 ada Kak Rizka. Terima kasih Kak Rizka. Nomor 5 ada Kak Why me? I'm wrong. Why wrong? Terima kasih Kak Why me? Nomor 4 ada Kak Mas Daru. Terima kasih Mas Daru. Nomor 3 ada Kak Marsha. Terima kasih Kak Marsha. Nomor 2 ada Kak Lanin. Terima kasih Kak Lanin. Cihuy. Nomor 1 ada Kak Dapa Parja. Terima kasih Kak Dapa. Thank you guys. Love. Bye-bye. Jangan galau-galau. Jangan galau-galau. Berat, biar aku saja. #galau.